Hey guys, welcome back with another study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss when you try to add your payment method in your iPhone or iPad, you may face a problem that your current payment method is not valid in this store. Please enter another payment method. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So let's say guys, you may just put your credit card, debit card, and you may click here on done. But you are facing this problem that your current payment method is not valid. So simply you may just click here again and go back, and first of all guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, there is the option of VPN. If there is a reconnected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may scroll it down, and here is the option of general, and here is the option of software update, and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. After this guys, you may go back again, and here is the option of background app refresh. So you may click here and you may turn this on. Then you may click here on date and time and click on set, automatically turn this on. After this, here is the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset, and click on reset network settings. Then guys, you may go back and you may just scroll it down, and here is the option of screen time, and you may just click here on content and privacy restrictions. So you may turn this off. After this, you may go back and you may just restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. The second method is guys, you may make sure that you have enough funds in your account, and you may also contact to your card issuer, and you should tell them your problem and they will fix it as soon as possible. The third method is you may click here on general and click here on the language and region, and you may select that region where you lives. So if you not lives in that country or region which selected here, then you may change it to that where you lives. The last method is guys, if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, then you may click here on your Apple account, and here is the option of media and purchases. So you may click here and click here on view account, and you may just wait for some second guys. So this interface will be open. Here is the option of country region, and you may change your country or region to that country where you live. If you live in USA, you may select United States, or if you live in another country, you may select that one where you live. So let's check, as I am changing my country. Click here on change country region and select any country from here. I am selecting United States from here, so you may select that country where you lives. These are terms and conditions. Click here on agree to accept all these terms and conditions. Here you may write your credit card, debit card numbers, or if you don't want to add your credit debit card, you may just click here on PayPal, and you may add any payment method from here. Then guys, you will scroll it down, and you may write your first name, last name, and your complete billing address. I am putting this fake one. You have to put your original. So select your state. If you live in USA, then you may write a zip code. If you don't know zip code, you may Google this. Then you may write your phone number. After this, you may click here on next, and you may check your payment method will be update, or you may update later in settings also. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.